Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the previous class, we solved the problems on integration by substitution method. Let us continue the same problems. Substitution method. Let us take the first problem. So integration of y secant square secant cube x then tan x dx. Okay. So let us take this. So let us take the phi secant square x then secant x tan x dx we can write. Okay, so we can substitute like this. Then let us take here secant x is equal to t. So differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x. T differentiation is with respect to x dt by dx. Then secant x tan x dx is equal to dt. Okay, then let us substitute in this phi t square then dt. So phi is a constant, integration of t square dt. So integrate phi is a constant, t cube by 3 plus c. Then the value of t is secant cube x by 3 plus c. And we can write it as phi by 3 secant cube x plus c. Okay. Take to the next problem. Take to the next problem. Cosecant cube x cot x dx. Okay, so let us take here cosecant square x into cosecant x into cot x dx. So let us substitute here cosecant x is equal to t. Differentiation of cosecant x is cosecant x into cot x is equal to dt by dx. Cosecant x in differentiation is minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay, then minus cosecant x cot x dx is equal to dt. Then cosecant x cot x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, then let us substitute here. If we substitute this t square then minus dt, then minus side outside t square dt. You integrate t cube by 3 plus c. The value of t is cosecant cube x by 3 plus c. Okay, take on the next problem. E to the power of x secant square e to the power of x dx. Okay, so let us take e to the power of x is equal to t. Differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only, dt by dx. Then e to the power of x dx is equal to dt. Then let us write this secant square e to the power of x e to the power of x dx we can write. Then let us substitute in the place of e to the power of x t secant square t dt. Then integration of secant square x is tan x or tan t plus c. Then t value is tan e to the power of x plus c. Okay, let us go for the next problem. Integration of cot x by log of sin x dx. Okay, so here let us substitute log x, log of sin x is equal to t. Log of sin x differentiation is 1 by log x differentiation is 1 by x. In the place of x, sin x is there. Again chain rule, differentiation of sin x dt by dx, then 1 by sin x as it is, integration of sin x is cos x, dx is equal to dt, and cos by sin means cot x dx is equal to dt. So if you take 1 by log of sin x into cot x dx, you can split this one. So let us substitute 1 by t, then dt. Okay, then log t plus c. Log of tt value is log of sin x plus c. Let's go for the next problem. Integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x dx. Okay, so let us write this one. 1 by sin inverse x into 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. If you take sin inverse x is equal to t, integration differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, then dt by dx, then 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt, then 1 by t dt, then integration of 1 by x is log x means log t plus c, then log of sin inverse x plus c. Okay, let us take the next problem. Integration of sin x by a plus b cos x dx. Okay, then here 1 by a plus b cos x into sin x dx we can write. So let us take here a plus b cos x is equal to t. So then differentiation of this 0, b is constant, cos x differentiation is minus sin x is equal to dt by dx, then minus b sin x dx is equal to dt, then sin x dx is equal to minus dt by b. Okay, then let us substitute here 1 by t, then we can write minus dt by b. So we can remove this one outside. 1 by b is a constant, integration of 1 by t dt, then 1 by b integration of this log t plus c minus 1 by b T value is a plus b cos x plus c. Take on the next problem. Integration of sin x by 3 plus 4 cos x. So I already done the same problem, okay. Means we have done same means before you have done sin x by a plus b cos x. Again here in the place of a 3 is there, 4 cos x whole cube is there. Okay. So integration of 1 by 3 plus 4 cos x whole cube, then integration, then into sin x dx. Okay. So let us take 3 plus 4 cos x is equal to t. 3 is on constant, 0, 4 is on constant, cos x differentiation is minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. Then minus 4 sin x dx is equal to dt. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt by 4. Minus dt by 4. So let us substitute here 1 by t cube dt minus dt by 4 means minus 1 by 4 is a constant 1 by t cube dx. We know the integration of 1 by x to the power of n. Formula is minus 1 by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1. If you apply that formula, minus 1 by 4 means minus 1 by 3 minus 1 t to the power of 3 minus 1 plus c, that is equal to minus into minus plus. So let us keep like this, minus 1 by 4 then into minus 1 by 2 into t square plus c. Then we can write it as minus into minus plus 8t square plus c. Then substitute the value of t. 8 into t square is 3 plus 4 cos x whole to the power of 2 plus c. Integration of 1 minus cot x by 1 plus cot x dx. Okay, then so we cannot do this one by rationalizing method. So let us take 1 minus cot x. Cot x meaning of cot x is 1 by cos x by sin x. Then 1 plus cot x means we can write cos x by sin x dx. If you take LCM, so sin x minus cos x by sin x, again sin x plus cos x by sin x into dx. Then sines and get cancelled. So sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, so let us substitute this one. So substitute here sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Sin x differentiation is cos x, then cos x differentiation is minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. Then if you take common minus, means minus cos x plus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Then we can write sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus dt. We can write. Okay, let us substitute in this. So let us write here 1 by sin x plus cos x into sin x minus cos x dx, then 1 by t, so minus dt, so minus integration of 1 by t dt, then integration of this is log t plus c, then log t value is sin x plus cos x plus c. Let us take the next problem here. Take down the next problem. Integration of 1 by 3 plus 2 tan x cos square x dx. Okay, so yeah, you can write 1 by 3 plus 2 tan x into 1 by cos square x dx we can write. Okay. So 1 by cos square x can be written as 3 plus 2 tan x secant square x dx. Let us take 3 plus 2 tan x is equal to t. Then differentiation of this is 0. Then 2 is constant. Tan differentiation is secant square x is equal to dt by dx. Then secant square x dx is equal to dt by 2. And let us substitute in this 1 by t dt by 2. So 1 by 2 is a constant, 1 by t dt. Then 1 by 2. So integration of this is log of t plus c. Then 1 by 2 log t means 3 plus 2 tan x dx plus c. Okay, so let us take the next problem. Take down the next problem here. Integration of e to the power of log root cos x into tan x dx. Okay, so let us substitute here log of root cos x dx is equal to t. Okay, so log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by x means in the place of x root of cos x is there. Again differentiation of root of cos x differentiation of root of cos x dx is equal to dt by dx, then 1 by cos x as it is into root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x, again differentiation of cos x, that is equal to dt by dx, then if you multiply means 2 root of cos x whole square, square root get cancelled here, cos x differentiation is minus sin x is equal to dt by dx, then minus sin x by 2 cos x is equal to dt by dx. Sin by cos can be written as tan x dx is equal to dt. Then if you shift, tan x dx is equal to minus 2 dt. Okay, then let us substitute here e to the power of t, then let us substitute minus 2 dt, then minus 2 is a constant e to the power of t dt, then minus 2 integration of this is e to the power of t plus c, then that is equal to minus 2 e to the power of t value is log of root cos x plus c. Okay, take down the assignment questions. Integration of cos to the power of 4x sin x dx, then integration of tan x secant square x dx, then integration of 3 square root of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx, then integration of sin of log x by x dx, integration of x cube sin of x to the power of 4 dx, then integration of x square cos of x cube dx, integration of cos cube of log x by x dx, then integration of sin of 1 plus log x by x dx, integration of x square cot x cube dx, 1 by x cos square of log x dx, integration of sin inverse x by square root of 1 minus x square dx, integration of root of cot inverse x by 1 plus x square dx, integration of tan inverse x whole cube by 1 plus x square dx, sin inverse x whole square by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Then the last question is tan root x by root x dx. So these are the 15 questions you have to solve as an assignment. Okay.